Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will learn how to set various border to elements. So CSS borders are used to provide a borders or set border to various HTML elements. So in this example we will set border of paragraph. There are various styles of border. We can set border style which contains several values that we will see in this video, border width and border color. So let's see one by one each property. First, we will see border style property. Border style property contains some value. For example, if you want to set border style to dotted, then border style and dotted value we have to pass. So this will set border which is dotted in paragraph tag. Now I want to set border width to 10 pixel. We can also set border color using border color property. I want to set border color green. So this is the main three properties. So let's save and see what is the effect. Before running, let's set size of font of paragraph 30 pixel. Now let's run. We can see the border style is dotted and the color of border is to green. We can also see the size of the paragraph text is a 30 pixel. We have given border width to 10 pixel. So the width of border will be 10 pixel. Now let's change the border width to 15 pixel. Reload. We can see the border width is increased and the border size is increased to 15 pixel. So this way how we can set various border style property. We can also set border style property of particular side. If you want to set top border style to green color, bottom to other border style. So these we can also set using border style property at a same time. So now I want to set border style of top to dotted, right to dash, bottom to groove and left to ridge. So this way you can top, right, bottom and left. We can give style of border at the same time using this syntax. Now let's run. We can see the border style is now changed. Top contains dotted, left contains dash, bottom contains groove and left contains ridge. This is about borders. Different style of borders are dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset and outset. So this is the border style in border property. So this is about how to set various types of border of HTML elements. Thank you.